Hello, my people. Welcome to IGBO AREA TV. Today we will explain the latest court matter. Nnamdi Kanu's case is not ended, but there is something that happened even before Justice Omotosho passed his ruling. We want to make it clear in a way everybody will understand, both inside and outside the courtroom. There is something important that we will gradually explain to you. One of his legal representatives, the elderly ones, said something that you need to know. Ikpeazu SAN spoke about the case. He said, a judge can be right, a judge can be wrong. But if you are not happy with the judgment, you must go to court to appeal. That is how the law works. In other words, he's trying to say, no shouting, no argument on Facebook, no fighting. The only answer is appeal the case. Now let's go to why they were disengaged, why they had to leave, why they were sacked, whatever you hear now, I think is the truth. This is coming from an interview of Ikpeazu SAN. There have been plenty talks online. Someone said Kanu chased his lawyers away, but it is not true. It is not true. Something transpired. And here is what happened in very simple way for your understanding. Before the lawyers came to prepare his defense, Nnamdi Kanu has already filed some papers by himself. Note carefully. He has already filed some papers by himself. Underline that. He signed a motion to challenge the court. He also asked the court to bring 23 people as witness. His lawyers did not know he had done these things. You see where the cracks began. Now, when the prosecution showed these papers in court, can you imagine? When the prosecutors showed these papers in court, the lawyers were shocked. They are not aware. Yet the prosecution is aware. Now, the lawyers asked him, did you file these things by yourself? Kanu said yes. They asked again, do you want to defend yourself? Kanu said yes. So the lawyers withdrew because any person has the right to handle his own case. Hence, that video you saw them leaving the court, that he said he wants to defend himself. You know, this son, Ikpeazu and the other Agabi, they don't talk much. They are very experienced. They spoke a little while leaving the court. They don't want to give out so much. Now he's clarifying what happened. They withdrew because any person has the right to handle his own case. They have to leave. And this means Kanu did not sack the lawyers. The lawyers did not abandon him. He simply chose to defend himself, like they explained right there at the court premises.
Decided to conduct his defense by himself. He has a right to do so. We respect that decision. We wish him well going forward. Thank you, sir.
Since Kanu said he will defend himself, the judge allowed it. But later, Kanu refused to enter defense. He did not bring witnesses. He did not present his side. After waiting many times, the judge finally said, okay, since you refuse to defend yourself, I will use only the government evidence. This is called foreclosure. From this moment, the case became one-sided because the judge had only the government story. Now, concerning the terrorism charges, the government said Kanu gave sit-at-home orders. These orders made people afraid. That is true. Banks schools, markets were closed on Mondays. They said he made threats on TV and online videos. They said his words caused fear and unrest. Meanwhile, Kanu denied these things before. But because he did not defend himself now, the judge used only the government evidence. Before we continue, let me tell you something. I am aware the sit at home has always been smooth. The sit at home Biafra Heroes Day, we hardly hear of troubles and the rest of them. And I'm aware the current sit at home that has continued till today, the Monday sit at home, was never an order given by Nnamdi Kanu. But look at what this man is trying to say here. That he has already known Nnamdi Kanu's position. But because Nnamdi Kanu did choose to defend himself, this is what they would have presented. At least on the side of the sit at home, they would have trashed it totally. You understand? So, what happened was that the judge used only the government's evidence to now, it's like they are judging him based on the government evidence. Though we had something like that the judge quashed his final written address, though we had it was not in order. It was not properly presented. So the judge said Kanu's words and broadcast looked like threats. These things fit the meaning of terrorism under Nigerian law. Note, so the judge found Kanu guilty. The judge sentenced him to life imprisonment for one charge, 20 years for another charge. He said Kanu should stay in a protective custody and should not use digital services without supervision. Does it mean Kanu can go to internet but under supervision? Now, this is what happens now. Let me tell you. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case is not ended and it can be upturned. Things can change. The next step is simple. Kanu will appeal the case based on what we are seeing. The Court of Appeal will review everything. You know what appeal means already, in case you are not familiar with this term? It means another court will check, was the trial fair? Did the judge do the right thing? Were Kanu's rights respected? Was the evidence strong enough? Note, this stage is very important. My people, now you understand the matter in clear, simple English. You understand what clearly transpired. Kanu did not sack his lawyers. He chose to defend himself. And by an action he already carried out, it's like disengagement, they had to, leave. Then he did not enter defense. The judge used only the government's evidence. When the judge was telling him there is still a case to answer, they were preparing his defense according to Ikpeazu. They were preparing his defense. Now, another thing to note is that the sentence given to him is heavy. The next step again, it is to appeal. At IGBO AREA TV, we continue to follow the story and explain everything in the way the common man can understand. We have a playlist on YouTube for the whole trial. And this video you are watching will also be added to the playlist. For you to know about everything, sooner we'll put it on YouTube podcasts. Thanks for watching. Please share this video widely.